Good morning all. This is Sindhu. I am telling a story. There was a hare. Once upon a time, there was a hare and tortoise. The hare and tortoise were good friends. The two decided to run a race. Race started. The hare go very fast and decided to take rest. He stopped and slept. The tortoise ran very slowly. In that time, the tortoise steady and to go that winning place. In that, the hare wake up to see the tortoise in winning place. He ashamed to see the tortoise. Thank you for one and all.
What is the moral? Please all give me to clarify. Every story has some line. Our story please stand up the group. Who are your group members? The group members, please stand up.
Good morning, friends. I am Devika. I want to share a topic, current affairs. Government to transfer NDPS, nothing but narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances from Ministry of Finance to Ministry of Home Affairs in June 24, 2022.
Very good.
Thank you.
My name is Shamini Suri. Today I celebrate my topic is one word meaning with example. Good morning everyone. My name is Shamini Suri. Today I celebrate one word meaning with example. Demolish ante కూలగొట్టడం. We are going to demolish this old building. ఒక పాత బిల్డింగ్ ని పడగొట్టబోతున్నాం.
Very good. Who is next?
Good morning all. My name is Kiran Mehta. I tell about product. Practice makes perfect. If you want to be perfect at something, you need to perfect everything.
Succeeding your mission, you must have single-minded devotion.
Repeat once again. Repeat once again.
Succeeding your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal.
To succeed in your mission, you have a clear vision to your goal. You must have single-minded enthusiasm. You must do your goal. Dream it. Start your influence. Charge the girls and it doesn't matter how small your goal. As long as you are going to stop.
Good.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all. My name is Lakshmi Koteshwari. I will tell some story. In a village, lives in a small family. John is the owner of the family. John gave up the half of his salary to those who asked help of it. One of the wedding arrangements of John's daughter wedding were less than 1 lakh. John saw that those who had helped him would help him, but no one could help to John. John thought that help should not be expected back. A John's childhood friend to John's daughter's getting married. John's friend's name is Moshe. Moshe and John are best friends. Moved to Moshe by the John different country, and the two will meet the cool place, and the to one talked to one to another 2 hours and forgot her times and forgot her times. And then Moshe was coming on company call, and he was tell to the John, I will leave up now because call was came for me. Please never mind it. Tell to the John to Moshe. And Moshe was call her John's doctor and blessed him, and one packet give the John's hands, and he was leaved it on that place. And some of times John's opened that cover, and he finds 2 lakhs, and he will the full of eyes of tears, and he was the full of joy and in her eyes. We help one another, God will help us.
Yeah.
Good morning, Vanital. My name is P. Arna. Today tell about quotations. Every pain give you a lesson, and every lesson give change a person.
Okay. Have you understood the word expect? Your word is expectation. Expect. Expect is a verb. Okay. Well done. Can you give me example loudly? Example చెప్తావా? Expect. అక్కడ expect.
My explanation is a dictionary explanation that contains figurative meaning. Illusion is a fixed expression that contains figurative meaning. Boil the ocean.
So, what is yours? Boiling the ocean. Boil the ocean. How do you boil? పెద్దగా.
In the fifth quarter of 2021-22, passing of the annual growth rate to 8.7%. Official data showed on Tuesday. However, growth in the January-March period slower than 5.4% expansion in the previous September-December quarter 2021.
Yes.
Good morning everyone, I am Viola. Our explanation current affairs. India's economy grew by 4.1% in the fifth quarter of 2021-22, passing up the annual growth rate 8.7%. Official data on Tuesday. However, growth in the January-March period slower than 5.4%. Expansion in the previous October-December quarter 2021-22.
Good morning friends, this is your friend Dati. Today I will be telling a story. You save trees.
కొంచెం దగ్గరగా పెట్టు.
Save trees.
ఆన్ అవ్వలేదు. ఆన్ అవ్వలేదా?
On it.
Yeah.
Good morning friends, this is your friend Dati. I will be telling a story. Save trees. Once upon a time there was a great beautiful forest
there was a two trees, big trees called Chintu and Pintu.
Okay.
Chintu and Pintu. They had so many friends for them, like rabbit, monkeys, birds, the monkey bear, the wolf, etc. One day they will be playing in the forest. The woodcutter coming near towards the forest. The Chintu said to the animals, "Run!" The woodcutter coming towards us. No one can run. Instead, they said, "You give us shelter, food, and fresh air to breathe. Had to breathe. How can we live in a danger?" Then Chintu Pintu said to the animals, "Then hide behind us." The woodcutter come near to the Chintu and Pintu and ready to cut those trees. Then the monkey attacked on the woodcutter and started imitating the woodcutter, and all other animals attacked the woodcutter. The woodcutter ran for his life. The moral of the story is save trees, save forest. Thank you.
Next one. No, there are many, no? Complete it.
Idioms: eat like a horse. Current affairs: on June 23, the DSP of Punjab, Divakar Gupta, was appointed as General Director of NIA, National Intelligence Agency, Investigation Agency. Quotations: winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. Meaning, intellectual: a person who enjoys mental activity and has highly developed tastes in art, literature, etc. Example: children need intellectual stimulation. Thank you. Good morning, friends. My name is Jyoti. Today telling an story, The Fox and the Crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow. He had a piece of meat. A hungry fox come there. His mouth watered when he saw the piece of meat. The thought of a plan to get it. He praised the voice of crow. The fox said him to sing a song. When the crow opened his mouth to sing, the piece of the meat fell down. The fox ate it and went away. The moral: beware of flatter. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun.
Good. Next one. What's your group name? RRB CZL group. Tell me.
Good morning, friends. My name is Ganesh. Today I am telling a short story about ant and grasshopper. The ant and grasshopper are the best friends, were very different personalities. The grasshopper would spend his time to sleeping and playing his guitar, while the ant would collecting food, building his ant hill. The grasshopper would tell to the ant to take a break. However, the ant complete his work. Soon winter came and the days and night cool. One day the colony of ants was busy trying to dry the grains of corn. The grasshopper was extremely weak and hungry. Came to the ants and asked, "Please give me the piece of corn." The ant replied, "We work hard to the corns all summer while you are rags. Why should I give to you?" The grasshopper was busy singing and sleeping. he don't have enough food and last winter the grasshopper realized his mistake. Moral of the story: most of opportunities while you have it. Aspire to inspire before you expire.
Again.
Aspire to inspire before you expire.
No, fear.
Aspire to inspire before. Aspire to inspire before you expire.
Good. Next one.
Quotation, sir. Develop success from failures. Discourage and failures are two of the surest stepping stones to success.
Next.
Sir. An app named ACB 14400 has been launched by the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Y.S. Jagannath Reddy. This app was launched to curb corruption at government officers across the state. Which organization has developed this app? This app has been developed by the Anti-Corruption Bureau, ACB. Through this app, the people can lodge.
Wise.
Huge. He made a huge difference to the team.
Once repeat again.
Huge. Huge. Meaning body. Example, he made a huge difference to the team.
Thank you.